Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you notice, I am in familiar surroundings. I am back home. I am back home. And though I enjoyed my family during the holidays, it is just wonderful to be back home. I'm hoping that everyone is enjoying this new year. Everyone is doing well, prospering, feeling good, and feeling fine. I am. I've been wearing my hair like this for a few days now. So I'm taking it down for my first day of work. Yes, I'm going back to work today. And I'm ready. I am ready. I thank my subscribers that have been hanging in there with me. I thank you for your support, your comments. It's just been wonderful conversing with each and every one of you that have commented on my videos, and I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when I'm popping up on YouTube. As I style my hair today, I want you to know that for a few days now, there have been a few things going through my mind. In the last few days, the word doors has been prevalent in my mind and in my heart. And a door, when I think of doors, I think of an entryway, a way to go in. It's also a way to go out. I believe that there are doors that are opening to me that no man can shut. And all I have to do is put my feet forward and walk through those doors. I believe that for you as well, but you have to believe it for yourself. I am walking through doors. And when I say that no man can shut, I think about an email I got from the licensing board for South Carolina for natural hair braiding. And that's required for anyone that wants to do microlocks or sisterlocks and you don't have a cosmetology license. So I passed that exam and I had all of my papers notarized and I sent them in. And as I was checking my email during the holidays, I received an email saying that they didn't get one of my documents. And at first I became frustrated. And then I was like, well, you know what? If they said they didn't get it, I just have to go ahead and resubmit it. And so I sent a message to a friend of mine who's a notary. And today I am going to get that paper notarized and I am going to put it in the mail. Because that is not a closed door. I'm still walking through. And I want you to know that in the next couple of weeks, I will be in a position to install microlocks. I practiced on my mannequin. And my mannequin has 210 microlocks. I surveyed a Sisterlock microlock group, and they told me that that was certainly a manageable amount of locks. I am also going to talk to my loctician, Flo and Kim, and find out what they think about it. I am excited about the doors that are being opened to me, and I'm going to take my steps forward and walk right through them. I believe that some of those doors are not going to just lead me into my destiny, but out of some things or places where I don't belong. I want you to remember this message. And as you are moving forward into this new year, Walk through your doors of opportunity. Move in the direction that is set forth for you. Don't give up. Keep on going. Walking through doors. I am ready. I am ready and excited for all that God is going to do and has been doing and will be doing in me and through me to bless others and so that I will also be blessed. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God. I especially love God.